What's up guys? So this is the Xiaomi Yi Sports action camera, which is for 7,000 rupees on Amazon. So last time I did a short video about how it performs on the 720p 60 fps, and it did a pretty good job for a 7,000 rupees camera. And so I took the camera for a ride and I recorded the ride at 1080p at 60 frames per second. And the main thing that lagged was stabilization. It didn't have stabilization, which was an annoying thing. And for a 7,000 rupees camera, you won't be expecting much, but that would have been great. So, following this, there is some footage taken, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is how you get when you walk. Since there is no 3-axis gyroscope, the video will be looking a bit disturbing. So yeah, a gimbal would be fine if you want stabilization, but instead of that you could always buy Yi 4K, which has EIS. So it's a great vlogging cam. Right now it's recording inside the waterproof case, so the sound won't be as good as that, but yeah, it would do fine. So this is how it sounds outside the waterproof case. So there is a big difference, I guess. The microphone here is a bit small, so it captures less voice, I guess. So let's try the transition from bright area to dark area. So let's see how it works. So it's a bright area and suddenly it changed to, oh yeah, it does pretty good, because for this price range it's a really good one. The sensor is Sony, so it's good, it's really good. See, bright area, dark area, bright, dark. So it does good, it does pretty good. So